Hi, Anthony Carruthers, Better Lesson Master Teacher Project. And this is how I demonstrate for students that an angle can be thought of as a distance along a circular arc. This is one of the new standards in the geometry congruence category, that students know this as the definition of an angle. So this is basically a geometry sketchpad sketch that I created. And the way it works is we have a point B, which right now is situated at 0 degrees, but we're going to animate that point so that it starts to travel along this circular arc. And as it's doing that, you can see that there's an angle measure counter here. It's counting in degrees. So right about now, it's going to be approaching 90 degrees. Then it's going to start to approach 180 degrees. And then something that students haven't really thought of in geometry, the concept of an angle being larger than 180 degrees comes into play. So we see that when we define angles this way, that angles can actually be larger than 180. And even though this particular demonstration has a limitation of 360 degrees, it resets when it gets back to 0. I'm careful to explain to students that in this conception of an angle measure, 360 is also not a cap. It could go on to 1,000, 2,000, 3,000, as many revolutions as we want to make around the circle. Um, that angle measure can get larger and larger without bound. So this is just a new way of conceiving of angles, and this is how I demonstrate it for students. Once again, I'm Anthony Carruthers, Better Lesson Master Teacher Project.